Best Cruiser Motorcycles 2025, Indian Sport Chief. Indian Motorcycle has set the stage for a new era in cruiser motorcycles with the unveiling of its highly anticipated 2025 Sport Chief model. This latest addition to Indian's lineup promises to blend classic cruiser aesthetics with modern performance and advanced technology, catering to riders who seek a thrilling combination of power, style, and innovation. At the heart of the Indian Sport Chief 2025 lies a potent Thunderstroke 126V twin engine, displacing 2,053 cubic centimeters. This powerhouse engine delivers impressive torque and smooth power delivery, ensuring exhilarating acceleration and a commanding presence on the road. The refined engine tuning provides responsive throttle response, making the Sport Chief ideal for both leisurely cruises and spirited rides. The 2025 Sport Chief embodies Indian Motorcycle's commitment to craftsmanship, performance, and the pursuit of adventure, said Mike Doherty, president of Indian Motorcycle. With its dynamic design, enhanced performance capabilities, and cutting-edge features, the Sport Chief is designed to appeal to riders who demand uncompromising performance and timeless style. Visually striking, the Indian Sport Chief 2025 combines classic cruiser design elements with modern touches. The bike features a streamlined silhouette, premium finishes, and chrome accents that highlight its craftsmanship and attention to detail. Rider comfort is prioritized with a low-slung seat, forward foot controls, and ergonomic handlebars that ensure a relaxed riding posture during long journeys. Innovation and technology play a significant role in the Sport Chief 2025's appeal, featuring Indian Motorcycle's Ride Command System with a customizable touchscreen display. Riders can access navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free communication and music streaming, and vehicle information at their fingertips. Advanced safety features such as ABS braking and traction control further enhance rider confidence and control. Industry experts have praised Indian Motorcycle's approach with the Sport Chief 2025, noting its potential to attract riders seeking a blend of performance, comfort, and distinctive design in a cruiser motorcycle. The Indian Sport Chief 2025 raises the bar in the cruiser segment with its combination of power, style, and technological sophistication, remarked motorcycle journalist Emily Davis. Its robust engine, luxurious amenities, and advanced features make it a standout choice for riders looking to make a statement on the road. Enthusiasts worldwide eagerly anticipate the arrival of the Indian 2025 Sport Chief at dealerships, eager to experience firsthand its exceptional performance and iconic design. With its blend of heritage-inspired aesthetics, modern technology, and legendary Indian motorcycle heritage, the Sport Chief is poised to redefine expectations and reaffirm Indian Motorcycle's reputation as a leader in the cruiser motorcycle market.